Hello. So I need to do a few more things on the car. A little bit of body work, fix some minor dents, a little bit of alignment of the panels, and then need to wrap the whole car in the foil. And this is the sample. This is the sample of the foil, and it's basically black. The base is black, but in the sun it changes color, different colors: green, blue, orange, yellow. So we're gonna wrap the whole car into this, and hopefully it looks insane.
Come on. Let's go.
Hey, good to see you. How are you doing?
Good. Yeah. So this is Alex.
Hello.
And we are at ARMotors. So we're gonna do two things here. First, we're gonna see a little bit around the shop, and second, we're gonna see what we are going to do on my car.
So yeah, that is one of the mechanical sites where we do literally most European high-end cars. Maintenance, repair, accidents.
So this is the mechanical area.
Mechanical area, yes,
Mechanical area.
correct.
When I got back to Dubai in the summer, it's a bit boring here. So working on a car actually, okay, it's a fun thing to do. In the winter is better,
I agree.
but in the summer,
Yeah.
not much to do.
Next summer, if you want to pop over and help us in the workshop, let us know.
I go to Colombia better. I think better, yeah. So I'm at the ARMotors. We're gonna be doing body work and wrap the car here. So the first step is to get rid of all the tiny dents from others opening the door and from leaning on the car. So as you can see, there are a lot of small dents that I did not even notice. So all of them, they're gonna be straightened. They're gonna do a little bit of filler and then sand it so that only the minimal amount of filler is gonna be on the car. And here the door, I did not replace the door, so the door will be repaired. So they have done the metal work on the door. Again, a very tiny amount of filler will be used. And they can also be doing the alignment of panels. I try to do it myself, but I am not really perfect at that. So you can see here how they're doing the straightening of the door. The old fender hit the door and bent it here at the front edge. They're also removing all the taillights, the bumper, all the exterior trim, the mirrors, the handles from the doors, so that they have access to put the wrap on top. So the car is almost ready for wrapping. They removed everything so that they have easy access, so they can wrap around the edges. So the headlights, all the emblems, the bumper, front bumper, rear bumper, the mirrors, the handle grips, I don't even know how that's called. So everything has been removed from the car. You can see these spots here. That's where they were doing a little bit of filler because they were like tiny dents all over the car. The surface is now matte. They have sanded it lightly so that the wrap is gonna stick better. That was close. So the car is now going into the wrapping booth. into the wrapping booth. That's not easy to say. From the back of the car, taillights have been removed, the rear bumper, all this trim around the wheels, the cover for the gas tank, these lights here, taillight, the license plate. Everything was stripped out. You can see how the door was repaired. Looks pretty good. Let's see the wrap in progress. We are using the rainbow metallic black. It's basically black base, but it changes colors in the sun. So wrapping the car, wrapping the hood. You can see the foil is changing the color in the light. Let's check how the color changes in the light. So you have red, orange, green, light blue, and purple. 5 colors that I can see. This is the brand, Vinyl Frog. They have to wrap the foil under the trim. So that's why everything had to be removed. So here you can see how the colors change as we move the camera. This is gonna look great, yeah, once it's done. Not only that, we are wrapping the car, we are also adding the PPF on top. So there are gonna be 2 layers. First the wrap, and then PPF over it. PPF layer is there to protect the car from scratches, from sun, from stone chips. So the layer underneath is going to last much longer. I don't know if you can tell the difference on the camera. So this one has the PPF on, and this one does not have it yet. So what I can see with my eyes is that this one is a little bit shinier than this one.
Here's the body shop.
Okay, so the bodywork, the
spray
paint.
booth, primer booth. Here basically we do anything related with painting, accidents, restorations, accidents.
I like this car. This would be an interesting project. Which car is this?
That is a Ferrari F12.
I should pick up. I should pick up this car and for the next project. This will be like I think on a next level. Here is an interesting car.
Which looks amazing now, I have to say.
Yeah, it's like from the day one till now. It's
yes.
a huge difference. Huge
Well done.
difference. Come, camera guy, go first.
In the final stages, some final touches, but ta-da!
Yeah,
Looks amazing.
we're gonna film the reveal in the complete darkness, and the light's gonna start, and it's gonna show the car outline, and then we're gonna start the smoke under the car. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Take that. Now.
to take some photos of the car in the dunes, and of course we got stuck. Luckily we ran into a dune instructor who teaches people how to go in the dunes and not get stuck. So he's gonna help us out, and we're gonna learn something today. Here's his car, and he's gonna pull us in reverse. So we're gonna hook up this rope. So I went into the bad spot in the dune. I need to take some dune lessons. Okay, so we connected the cars with the rope, and I'm gonna go in, and he's gonna tell me what to do. We are pretty badly stuck here.
Slowly. You're digging like that, slowly, slowly. Okay.
Okay, so the instructor Karim, he has pulled us out out of the sand, and hopefully we're gonna just be able to roll down the way we came from.
Up.
We didn't move far. I got stuck again about 10 meters away. So now they have to pull us again, but this time forwards. We only have like another 10 meters to exit the dunes.
Okay. Up. Okay.
So now the pull from the front. Yes, we got stuck again just 2 meters away.
Okay. Cédric.
Slowly, l'écran il pose straight. Et il n'y a pas de vitesse courte.
Very good. Slowly now. Okay. Go. Go. Yes. Yeah. Little bit acceleration. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Keep going. 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 All right. That's it. Stop. Very good. That's it.
Okay, so we're out of the sand and onto the rocks. So from here we can exit.
All right, guys.
Good thing is a good thing that
Good luck.
you happen to be nearby. Otherwise, we might be stuck all day here.
It's not very
Yeah.
easy. That.
Nothing
Yeah.
comes from nothing. All right, all the best. Cheers.
Yes. Thanks a lot for your help.
Thank you. Take care.
That was an adventure. Whew. Luckily, we got out. We didn't get stuck here all day in the sand. These guys helped us out, and they're going through the desert there to another emirate. Maybe we should follow them. Should we follow them?